There is something essential to be understood in cosmology. Namely, universe is not existing in time. Because of this misunderstanding, we are somehow uh, building theories and teaching students now for 100 years things that are pure scientific illusion. Also in science, we have illusions. One of the biggest illusion of science is that that motion, motion, that motion happen in time. No, motion happen only in space. And time is duration of motion in space. When we measure it, if we don't measure, there is no duration at all. So all this our perspective that universe is developing, that universe is going on and developing in some physical time, this is illusion. There is no physical time, there is no past, there is no future. Universal space is time invariant. When you go in the night, you go sleep, you wake up, you go sleep, you dream and sleep, and you wake up in the same time invariant space that you experience as now. Okay, there is only now. Eternity is now. This has to be understood. This, this temporal perspective in linear time is false. There is no linear time in the universe. So the only universe that exists is the universe we can observe. All the rest, it's a bullshit. I hope you understand. What has happened this million years ago and all that, that's all bullshit. That's nothing. That's just mind, and nothing is real. The real universe is the universe we can observe. And on the basis of this observation, we can build a cosmology that is evidence-based cosmology, that is somehow based on evidence, of scientific evidence. This is my vision of cosmology. Scientific evidence, what we measure, what we observe. This has to be the ground stone of theory about universe and what we observe in the universe. These huge jets that are coming out of center of galaxies, these huge jets are real. This is not something imaginary. This was observed, this was measured. So from where these huge jets are coming? Out of the blue, from nothing, from Holy Ghost? No. These jets are fresh energy because in the center of the black holes, energy of space is, the energy density of space is so low that atoms become unstable. They disintegrate into elementary particles. And black holes are rejuvenating systems of the universe. All energy in the form of matter, no, is transforming back into fresh energy, which is the fresh energy out of which stars are made. And this circulation is eternal. The idea of the beginning universe is just childish and stupid. I'm now last few days just very famous people, very famous physicists talk what was before the Big Bang, how everything started, how time started. That's all bullshit. How time has started, the beginning of time. That's an absolute bullshit because time never started. and time will never end. Universe is not a temporal phenomena. Nothing in the universe is temporal phenomena. Time is emergent physical property that enters existence when we measure it. If there is no measurement, there is no time. We gave time a lot of importance, which time does not have. Uh, I know, I know it's extremely difficult to understand this. Actually, you cannot understand this. You have to experience this timelessness, that universal space is time invariant. Uh, I hope that humanity will grasp one day. Julian Barbour announced in 1999 that right understanding of time will be a new revolution of physics. And he is right. He is perfectly right. We have to step out of our linear time, linear psychological time. That has physical origin, or let's better to say neurological origin, in the neuronal activity of the brain. We are projecting linear time in the universe, but linear time is not there. Linear time is in the brain. So all these questions, how everything started, and this is just nonsense. For 100 years, we are teaching students absolute nonsense. Students of physics about cosmology, Big Bang. That's absolute nonsense, guys. Are we intelligent enough to stop this nonsense? I hope yes. Uh, so I'm preparing a special issue uh, titled Evidence-Based Cosmology Beyond Big Bang Model. I'm already now inviting cosmologists and physicists to participate in this special issue. Thank you very much.